Problem number 2 in the geometry placement test has to do with this figure here. It's given us an isosceles triangle. It's giving us some information. It's telling us that the angle here is 40 degrees, which they're calling angle A. They're making the statement that line AB is equal in length to line AC here. And they're also making the statement that B, C, and D are collinear. In other words, they are along the same line. They are lined up with each other, and they are asking us to find the value of this angle here. So, in order to do that, we need to invoke one of the rules of geometry is that the interior angles, we need to determine what these angles are so we can determine what this angle is. Well, we can call this angle B, little b, and we can call this angle little c, and we can call this angle little d for the points that they're close to. We know that 40 degrees that's given plus angle B plus angle C have to add up to 180 degrees because the interior angles of a triangle must add up to 180 degrees. And we also know that since line AB and line AC are equal in length, that B is equal to C. So we can rewrite this equation here. 40 degrees is plus B this time instead of C. We can use B because B is equal to C. And that's equal to 180 degrees. Well, we can further rewrite that as 40 is equal to 2B, plus 2B is equal to 180. So I want to solve this equation for B to solve for this angle, which happens to be equal also to this angle. So the first step would be to subtract off the 40 degrees from both sides. So I would have 2B is equal to 180 minus 140 would be, not 180, it would be 180 minus 140 would be 140. And then I'd go ahead and divide off the 2 that's on B, and I would have B equals 70 degrees. So each of these angles here are 70 degrees. Okay? Now, I also know that this angle from here to here, in other words, angle C plus angle D, have to add up to 180 degrees because it's a straight line. Okay? So angle C is equal to angle B is equal to 70. So I would have 70 plus D is equal to 180. I want to solve this for D. So I'll subtract the 70 and I'll get that angle D is equal to 110 degrees. So this angle here is equal to 110.